Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question: find x if 4 divide 2 to the power root 2 whole to the power 2 minus root 2 equals to 4x. So this exponential equation we have to make a common base. Therefore, first we can write like here is 4, we can write 2 square. Why? Because here is 2, and also this 4 we can write 2 square. So here is 2 to the power root 2 and whole to the power 2 minus root 2 equals to 2 square x. Why we can write like this? We know x to the power y to the power suppose z, we can write x to the power y z. Okay, similar thing. Now this one we can write here base are same, right? So if base are same, in division power will be subtract. So we can write 2 to the power 2 minus root 2 and whole to the power 2 minus root 2 equals to 2 to the power 2x. Okay, now this one we can write 2 to the power 2 minus root 2 whole square, okay, equals to 2 to the power 2x. Now look, these base are same. One more thing, here we have to write a sub note because base are same, in division power will be subtract. Therefore we can write like a to the power m divide a to the power n. It means what? A to the power m minus n. Okay, now base are same, so we can write 2 minus root 2 whole square equals to 2x. Okay, now here as per a minus b whole square we can write 2 square minus 2 times then what? 2ab. So 2 is a 2, a means 2 and b means what? Root 2 plus root 2 square equals to 2x. Now this is 4 because 2 square means 4 and here is 4 root 2 plus root 2 square means 2 and here is 2x. Okay, now look, here is 4 and here is 2, so it will be 6, right? And then so 4 plus 2 is a 6 minus 4 root 2 equals to what? 2x. Now we can write so, or we can say x equals to 6 minus 4 root 2 divide 2, right? Now we can take common 2 from numerator, so here is 3 minus 2 to root 2 and here is 2, so 2 and 2 out, the answer is 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so very simple and interesting. So our result is 3 minus 2 root 2. I hope you cleared this one. It's a very important math for any kinds of competitive examination, especially IGCSE, SET and grade 9 to 12. So no more today. Thank you very much. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.